Khuraijam Athouba, working president of the International Peace and Social Advancement (IPSA) and spokesperson for the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI), is poised to advocate for Manipur's concerns at the 56th session of the United Nations Human Rights Council (UNHRC). According to a press statement, the UNHRC session, held from June 18th to July 12th, 2024 in Geneva, Switzerland, will see Athouba addressing the Council under Agenda Item 3. He has been nominated by various civil society organizations to represent Manipur, where he will engage with key figures and officials, including special rapporteurs, focusing on diverse human rights issues. During his participation, Athouba plans to raise pressing issues concerning Manipur, highlighting recent developments and challenges faced by the region. Notably, he has expressed dissatisfaction with the approach of the newly formed Government of India and the President of India's stance, as articulated during the Parliament's inaugural session.
Here in the United Nations in Geneva to attend the 56th session of the United Nations Human Rights Council, and I shall be attending one of the item number 3, agenda item number 3, where I will be giving my interventions on the ongoing conflict and human rights situations in Manipur and Northeast India. Well, it will be my tentative schedule is likely to be on 2nd of June. Well, before that, while I have been preparing here for my participations, I have been meeting with several officials and mandated special rapporteurs of different agendas and different forums, and I shall be continuing in that exercise to meet more people, to let the people know that they know the ongoing grim human rights situations in Manipur. Well, today I want to issue some of the opinions regarding the present development that had happened in my state and in the Parliament of the Indian state. It has come to our notice that the first session of the newly formed government in the Indian Parliament has begun, and in the opening day of the session,